Hello guys, again we are back with a new unboxing, reviewing and testing of these three products from 3M. All the products are double side taped. And let's start with the first one. Here we've got a mirror tape, strong. It is 2 kilograms per meter. Temperature resistant is plus 70 Celsius to 0 Celsius. Sticky on both sides for indoor use only. This tape is more suitable for mirrors. And let's see some specs. Strong double side mirror tape for fastening small to medium sized mirrors indoors without drilling. The mounting tape holds on a solid and smooth surfaces such as metal, glass, unstructured tiles, ceramic and main plastics. Processing and installation of the tape between 18 and 25 Celsius. For a 1 kilo of mirror you need to use a 50 centimeters of tape. Required to use for 1 kilo mirror 50 centimeters tape. Press and hold the mirror about 10 seconds in all the surface of the mirror and don't lower the adhesive bond at least for 24 hours. That double side mirror tape is more suitable for mirrors. Let's move on to the next one. This is a mounting tape, ultra strength, UV and water resistant, and temperature is about plus 80 Celsius to minus 40 Celsius. We can see this is a clear tape. We got a high strength removable mounting tape for fast and secure attachment for interior and exterior use. The transparent double coated tape is suitable for solid, smooth and slightly structured surfaces such as metal, glass, tiles, many common plastics, wood, concrete and furniture. Ideal temperature for application is 15 Celsius to 25 Celsius. Apply force to all the area about 10 seconds as the other one and do not attach for 24 hours. That means you need to wait for 24 hours and then put whatever weight you need. Of course, and this is about 25 kilograms per meter. That is of course stronger tape than this. And I think from the understanding it's about universal tape, you can use it about everything. This is 19 millimeters and the length is 5 meters. That was 4.5 meters. Let's move on to the ultra strength 3M mounting tape. UV and water air resistance. We have a temperature resistance is plus 90 Celsius to minus 40 Celsius. High strength double sided mounting tape for fast and secure attachment for interior and exterior uses, suitable for solid, smooth, slightly structured surfaces such as metal, glass, tiles, many common plastic, wood, concrete and furniture. This is a little bit stronger than this. We've got 19 millimeters to 5 meters. Ideal temperature for installation is 15 to 25 Celsius. And both of the tapes, it says, is suitable for kitchen hook, name plates, letter boxes, house numbers, mobile phone attachments, furniture handles, skirting boards and picture frames. And again, just wait for 24 hours before put more weight into your tape that you already installed. Well, I'm sure you will find out many applications to your home to use these tapes. You've got an idea how you can use these tapes. Well, let's put them on a small test. First I will try this. Just going to cut a small piece. Put it here, apply pressure. Okay, that will be nice. Next, take that out. I will stick here that. I will apply a little bit pressure. Just I'm going to perform a test. I will pull it to see how much resistance it has. Well, I think we are okay. Whoa. Yeah, it has a quite of a resistance. Oh, fuck. Yeah. Yep, that is strong. I put a lot of force to this tape. Well, let's move on to the strongest tape that is taking about 25 kilograms per meter, sorry. And again, Let's cut the snail piece. Apply this here. This is transparent. You can see when you are applying with similar force, you don't see any bubbles. Nice. Let's take it out. Just remember to have a clean area. Even your fingers that can be contaminate this sticky surface. That's for whatever you have in your mind to stick. Just clean it with a clean alcohol. Nice, I have just cleaned it. And again, I'm going to apply force. For 10 seconds. Of course, you need to leave it about 24 hours to get the best of this double side tape. Nice. Now let's try to pull it out. I think this is, yeah, definitely stronger. Whoa. Yep, this is stronger. And it's quite elastic. Let's move on to the last one. This is the strongest. Yeah, I can feel it even when I take it out. Let's cut it. Again, you can clean a little bit with an alcohol. And apply. And then we need to put in that. Just hold it for 10 seconds. This is 33 kilograms per minute. It has to be stronger. Okay, let's try that. Take it out. It's quite a resistant. I think I will break the plastic. Whoa. That's quite strong, yeah. Even from the table, you can see how it goes out. Well guys, I think the test that I made with this plastic and trying to pull it out from the table, I think you have made your conclusion. For me, these two tapes are more stronger. Of course, they say ultra strength, strong. They cost about 3 euros. And if you need something like that to buy it, definitely it will be useful to your home and you will find some time to use them. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like it, like my videos your choice. Share this video, you never know whom you need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.